I'm Iku of Kintsugi, Oxford. I'm a kintsugi repairer for about maybe 10 years. Not only repairer, but actually mainly I'm teaching how to do the, I would say, easy kintsugi. In Japanese we call it kangi kintsugi. In this case I use yobitsugi technique. Yobitsugi means you bring another piece of the broken ceramic, I would say falling ceramic, and fill the gap with that falling piece. So first, of course, you have a broken plate, and then sand the glaze, only glaze part using sanding paper, and then after that you put the epoxy glue. Traditional way we use glue from urushi, but in this case, easy kintsugi case, we use epoxy glue. Mix epoxy glue, resin and hardener, and apply onto the edge, and push them together. Now you have a gap in the two pieces. So I used, this time I use stained glass. So you mark the stained glass the same, try to same the shape as of the missing piece, and then cut with a tile nipper, and again attach with epoxy glue. After that you fill the gap with epoxy putty. So fill the gap with white putty and then clean with water. After the putty harden, sometimes you need to sand the putty as well. Then repair is ready to decorate with urushi. So now I'm using black urushi for base. Apply the base urushi. By the way, base urushi usually I dilute with turps. You don't need to dilute, but if I dilute with turps, it's easy to handle. So I use diluted urushi. Apply the urushi over putty. Put into the box. We call it humid box. Need some kind of humidity inside of the box. In my case, I leave the wet paper or cup inside of the box. Keep this urushi covered plate in the box about 24 hours to 48 hours. When it's set, take out. Apply another coat of urushi. So I usually repeat 4-5 times. And sometimes I sand the urushi on each application. Anyway, you need to make a good base for metal application. So 4-5 times application of urushi, and then final application of urushi. So when I use a gold, I usually use red urushi. Apply the red urushi as ordinary way. Keep in the box about half an hour to 1 hour. Always also depend on the metal powder and the metal urushi's condition. It's you can't exactly say how long. When urushi set half, I mean the surface set, bring out the box and then apply metal powder. I usually use dusting brush, very soft brush. After you finish applying gold powder, keep in a box. Usually I keep in a box about 7 days to set completely. And then use the silk wadding and polish the surface of the gold. Sometimes you need to varnish with tools and then wash off with water and ready to use.